created, one of those 7 that you've created over the last few days, and then you're going to be choosing an audience of like a 3rd to 5th grade level. So we're talking about like 8-year-olds to 11-year-olds or so, how to code one of those apps. Now, I would highly suggest you choose one of the ones that's a little bit simpler. Since this video, we want this video target to be like 2.5 to 3 minutes long. Every single week when we code new apps, this is going to be a norm. That as soon as you get done with the app, that you're going to screencast it, and that's how you turn it into me.